when it comes to academic writing, the reference page is very important. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the important aspects that you should always consider when it comes to the referencing page of APA, and this is how we do it. But guys, before we start, kindly I beg you, remember to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up video, and you can also share it with your friends. Thank you. Let's get started. So in today, I've said we are going to talk about the reference page of the APA writing style, and we have this page here that we're going to use to be able to understand everything concerning the reference page of the APA style in the first place. So we have 3 references here. As you can see, this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So what we have to ensure is that everything in this page has been double spaced. So all we do is to highlight everything, and then you click this particular button here, and then you choose line spacing options. So always make sure that you work on this area, the indentation. So you make sure that under special you choose hanging, so you don't work with the first line or none. You make sure you have chosen that one, and then line spacing, always make sure that it is double. Actually, in APA writing style, you always make sure that everything is double spaced, and then it is important to always make sure that this particular button here is checked. So always make sure that you don't add spaces between paragraphs in the same style. So that's all about this given section of paraphrasing, and then you click OK after you have entered all those settings. So the next very important part is this one here, the sorting. So our references should always be alphabetically arranged. So you have to click in that given section there, and then you double click ascending, and then your references will be alphabetically arranged, as you can see from this given part. The next thing is that your references must always be in Times New Roman font. So you choose Times New Roman font, and then the size of the font should always be 12. Nothing should be underlined in this case, and nothing should be bold apart from the word reference itself. This is the title of the reference page. The reference itself should always be bold. So having keyed in all those settings, that's the most important thing to work on. But some clients will prefer the DOI number bolded. This one depends, although it's not compulsory that you should always make it bold. So some will prefer these given numbers bold, others will prefer just as maybe they appear in this case. So you may bold your DOIs, or you may just leave them the way they are. So having those key settings will always ensure that your reference page is sorted. So that's all about the reference page of the APA writing style. Thank you for your time, good people.